Hi guys, it's Matt here. This is going to be your guide to creating 30 days worth of content using AI. Here is the content calendar I have generated with AI in less than 5 minutes, and you can do the same. So down here you see in the red text, it is the simple prompt. That one is, when I put it into ChatGPT here, it's not going to give you as detailed content calendar as you would like. As you can see here, it's quite minimal. It's not given great detail because there's not any information in that directly linking to your business. See, it's not going to provide you with the proper information to create that video. Now if I take this longer prompt and I paste it in, it's much more detailed. So number one, meet your local plumber. That's just an introduction video, and if you go through it, before and after leak repair, that's showing your results that you're providing from your business, and frequently asked questions, stuff like that. So you're getting a lot more detail out of just adding a longer prompt that includes more details about your business. So if we scroll back up and we took a look at the prompt, look how much longer that prompt is. You can pause the video if you want to read that. Look how much longer that prompt is compared to the other one. And the amount of more detail is going to reflect on what AI will generate you for your video. Now, if we go down to the search bar here and we type in turn day number 1 into a TikTok script, then we hit send prompt. Here it's going to generate your whole script for your day number 1 video. Now, how long would that have taken if you had to think of that yourself? Look how quickly that has done that. So you put your name, your area, and then you show what the sort of niche, what people around that niche would want to see. You unloading tools, stuff like that. This is for plumbing. This one's a plumber is the example for this one. Then it's on-screen text. On-screen text is important as it grabs the eye. It's a visual hook. So yeah, look, this is day number 1 just from that, and think how quickly this will be to do 30 of them. It could take 40 minutes to create a month's worth of content. So if we go to the search bar again, give me 10 viral hooks for this topic. So here are 10 hooks that ChatGPT has generated. Now I usually like to ask ChatGPT for the best one. So if we go to the search bar again, so we're in the search bar again and we're asking for give me your best hook, your personal choice. I asked ChatGPT for, I just asked for the best one that they would recommend. So here is the one they would recommend. 99% of homeowners don't know this until it's too late. So that creates a curiosity sort of hook that will make your viewers curious. And that's why I always ask for the best one, because ChatGPT has the best one. It gives you 10 and you don't know what to choose from. Just narrow it down to this single one. Now if we go to the search bar again, now generate me captions for this video. And it gave me a caption at the top, but I like to get a specific caption. I like to re-ask for it because this will give me a more narrow one. So you see there, we'll create a new file here. We'll create a whole file for this post. So here we are going to copy all this. We're going to copy what ChatGPT has created for us and paste it into our file, if I can do it here. So that's it pasted in. So this is going to create a document, and you can just read off this when you're creating the video. We're going to put the hook in like that, and we're going to actually highlight the hook because make it bigger just because it's very important, obviously. And now we will put the call to action in. This will be your call to action at the end of the video, what you're going to tell the viewers to do. So there, paste in. If you spot any of these signs, send us a message for a free quote before it becomes an expensive problem. That's your call to action, and we'll highlight that as well. So now we're going to put the caption in, just like that, and we're going to unbold that because it's too much to highlight. And now we have a TikTok script, and that is as easy as it gets for making a TikTok video with AI. It is so easy. And forgot about hashtags. We'll put hashtags in as well. I usually just use the first 5 it gives me. So there is your hashtags. So you can only use 5 on TikTok. I just pick the first 5 that is generated for me. And yeah, it's as easy as that. And now that we've actually made this video, we can repurpose this content into Instagram Reels or Facebook posts, like I'm going to show you now. So we are going to copy all this, and we are going to paste it into ChatGPT. We're going to say, turn this into an Instagram Reel post. So this I would always repurpose content. Don't create different videos for every platform, because it gets tiring and it's not necessary. Just repurpose your content. It's a lot easier than making new stuff for every single platform. So here we hit send prompt. So here is your script for for Instagram, sorry. It's as easy as that. It's so easy. It gives your hook, introduction, what you do, ending, call to action, on-screen text. It's as easy as that. So we are going to go over here and copy and paste it into your document as well. So here is your whole document full of, it's going to be Instagram as well. So we're also going to do Facebook. So with this same script, so there is all your information from the Instagram one you need. You could use the same hooks as TikTok, stuff like that. It's very, very simple. Now we're going to make that script into a Facebook post. There we go. So Facebook post, it's more text, obviously. And we're going to copy that and paste that over to our document. We're going to actually just create sections here and tidy up a wee bit. No, I didn't want to do that. We will make it blue for Facebook, like that. Make it a bit bigger, and then we will make the text a wee bit smaller, make it black again. Then we will paste it in. Now there is your Facebook post out of that TikTok one that's created as Instagram and Facebook in the same prompt. We're just going to clean it up a wee bit here, the document, but it really gets as easy as that. Doesn't get any easier. That is 3 platforms we have created content for in 9 minutes and 36 seconds. That's 3 platforms we've generated content for, and you can obviously have to do your own part. You have to do the filming, you have to actually make the thing yourself, but that is it all scripted. That is as easy as it gets, that is so easy. That is the whole problem of not knowing what to post sorted. That is it done. And we've done all of that now in 10 minutes. 10 minutes to do 3 platforms. That's one day of posting. And you could do a whole month in under an hour, I would say. If you just follow that same pattern, you could do a month in under an hour. So if you want to learn more about this, and if you actually want to scale your business and with AI learn how to create content a lot quicker, I have a school community. It is $29 a month, and after first 50 members, it is increasing in price. So if you want to get in nice and cheap, get in nice and early. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.